So there's a lot of talk, there's a lot of suggestions, and a lot of questions on whether you can make good money on Facebook or not. So we're going to debunk that today because some of these people are getting really good amount of money on Facebook gaming. But on the other hand, some other people, and you can even find that through a simple Google search, well, some of these people, like smaller streamers from 1,000 to 5,000 followers, may earn between $5,000 and $25,000 annually, right? So if you just do the math with this, so for example, it's going to be like the lowest amount, $5,000 per year. Well, it's just going to be $400 per month. So no, you can't get $100 per hour if you like start a stream now, and you will have to do a lot more to get to these figures. Like some of these people are reporting to get anywhere from $2,700 to $5,500 per month. But that is, of course, full-time streamers with a lot of subs. So we're going to break it down and we're going to see what are the ways in which you can monetize. And of course, the first thing that you will have to have is a Facebook gaming page. To make a Facebook gaming page, all you got to do is to just go to your account. If you want to connect your real account, just go with your real account, but do have in mind that you can't protect yourself this way. I mean, if you don't want someone to know that you're streaming your content, well, just make yourself another account. On the other hand, if you want to be able to share your streams, your page with your already friends on Facebook, just go with your personal account. So here is the button, this menu here. Under Create, you have a page here. So yeah, just click on the page. In here, you just give it a name. So let's just go with Mr. Money Games, like this. And category, it's the only one here. So just type in gaming, and you're gonna see this gaming video creator. Now, do not choose video game or whatever else. Gaming video creator. So gaming video creator, that's the one. Bio, it's gonna be optional, of course. Create a page with this button down there, and this is how it's going to look like. Now, complete this simple information about yourself as soon as you can here. Add a profile picture. You have to do it. I strongly advise that you do it right away. You have some of the action buttons, but you can just do that later on. This is how it's going to look like on desktop, and this is how it's going to look like on mobile phones, right? So you've got everything here. So just go through this customization of your page until you're satisfied, and then we're going to see what to do if you want to start streaming right away. First of all, you will need this. I'm not affiliating with it. It's OBS. This is a free recording software, which is by far the best one there, all right? There's a lot of these other ones like Streamlabs or whatever you can find, but this one is by far the best one. All right, I use this to record these videos, and I use this to stream myself, and it's free, and it's really user intuitive. Once you get through the initial, get to know it better, after that, it's really simple to use, really beginner friendly. So this is how it's gonna look like here. As you can see, your page, your professional dashboard can be accessed through here, right? Then your content is going to be here. You click on content. Here you can create, of course. You can post your posts, stories, reels. And of course, once you're ready, but you have to know this, you can just click on live video here. Then you're just going to use the stream key to connect this to OBS. But first of all, you have to have at least 100 followers on the page. And then your profile has to be at least 2 months old, right? And then later on, you can choose to go live. Now, how much money and how you can get this after today's sponsor. Quick shout out to this video sponsor, Proxy for You, the proxy provider trusted by pros worldwide. Featured on Yahoo, Benzinga, and Business Insider, Proxy for You is changing the proxy game with performance and transparency that's hard to beat. They offer residential, mobile, and data center proxies in more than 195 countries. It's perfect for scraping, automation, and of course, stealth browsing. No expiry dates, no monthly fees, no limitations. Just pure pay-as-you-go freedom. It's got 4.8 on reviews.io and 4.6 on Trustpilot. People trust Proxy for You because it works. Click the link down there in the description and upgrade your workflow with Proxy for You today. Get started completely for free, no credit card needed. So there are 5 proven ways to get yourself paid by Facebook streaming, and this is exactly this. So there's paid online events. This is not for beginners. There's a lot of explanation by Facebook itself, by Meta, on how to create a paid online event, but this is not if you don't have any followers yet. I invite you to just study this. The second one is Facebook Stars. Now, Facebook Stars is just like whatever people throw you these stars, and it's essentially your audience giving you the money. Now, on top of it, there's subscriptions, and Facebook allows viewers to subscribe to their favorite streamers for around $5 per month, and the subscription is going to you. And as you can see, each star is worth $0.01. So it's 1 cent. And the lowest amount is $1.4. And that's what people can give you. But the best way, apart from Facebook stars, is these in-stream ads. All right. So these are excellent for streams, for gaming, for sports, for a lot of content on Facebook. And it works just like YouTube. All right. This will give you 4 types of in-stream ads. There are pre-roll ads. These are going to be before your video, as you can see here down there in the picture. Then there's going to be mid-roll ads, well, hence the name. And then there's going to be image ads as well. This is under a broadcast, all right? And post-roll, this is after your video ends. These are the best, most profitable ways in order to get paid with Facebook. And this is going to lead you to that. Well, to that amount of money that we've spoken earlier. It can lead you to this, but of course, it's not going to happen overnight. This is not some kind of a get-rich-quick scheme, just like nothing else is. This is work. If you have the time and patience and will to do it, you will do it in the end. And if you choose the right game, if you choose the right niche, you will do it. But it's not going to happen in your first months. You have to know that. I don't care what anybody is telling you. This is not going to happen unless you dedicate yourself fully. And, you can't quit your 9-to-5 job just to become a streamer if you're solely going to depend on Facebook from the start. All right. Later on, when you scale yourself, when you get your audience, you are going to get sponsorships. You are going to be able to sell your merch. You can go with affiliate marketing as well. So later on, a lot of doors will open up to you. But firstly, this is going to be a grind, all right? Just like anything else. You'll have to work your way up to the place where these, biggest streamers are. And it's not going to be easy, all right? There's not any kind of course that you can pay in order to skip the struggle. You can only be dedicated, and you can only learn and grow every day, little by little, to get to a place where you want to be. But if you love what you do, if you have passion for it, and if you have some good ideas, and if you have consistency of showing up every day, well, it is going to work out for you. I do have to tell you that there's this platform as well. I'm sure you've probably heard about it, but what's really important is that Mr. Beast came to the platform recently, and Kick gives you 95% of subscriptions to you, all right? And it only takes 5% for himself. For example, Twitch gives you 50-50 split, but here it is 95-5. All right, so it's a good place to have as well. Kick is really, really good. And if you're gonna, use your time, I think it's gonna be better on Kick than on Facebook if you're just starting out. But you can combine always. So yeah, wish you good luck, and I'll catch you in the next one.